Today we're replacing the turn signal socket in this Jeep Wrangler. One of the cool things about this job is that you don't even have to pop the hood to get to it. Take note of where the turn signal actually is and reach in through the wheel arch, grabbing the turn signal socket. The wiring harness will have a locking tab on it. You push down on that tab as you pull out, and it'll keep it unlocked so you can pull on it. Rotate the socket about 30 to 45 degrees and then pull out. You should now have just the turn signal socket and the bulb. Don't touch that bulb with your bare hands, put on some rubber gloves and pull the bulb out. Now that you have the turn signal socket out, compare it to the replacement part. The site that I got this from actually said this part does not fit this vehicle, but upon comparison it does in fact have the same design for the plug and almost the same design for the socket. One of the 3 locking tabs was made a little bit smaller so it fits more vehicles. If you also run into this problem, here's the part number. I'll also put a link to this product down in the description below so you can find it even easier. It also helps us out a bit so we can make more videos like this. Back to installation though, put a working bulb in your new turn signal socket and insert it into the turn signal assembly. Take note that those 3 tabs only line up one way, and it should be the same orientation that the old one came out with. This new part seals a lot tighter than the old part, so I did have to push a little to get it to fit, but that tighter seal should do a better job of keeping all that rain and mud out. With the socket attached, you can now plug in the wiring harness and check to make sure your turn signal works. I'll put links to everything that I used to do this job in the description below. If you have any questions about this job, make sure you ask them in the comment section. Either way, I hope to see you in the next Car Simplified video. Thanks for watching.